So for this assignment, it's a pretty easy one. What you have to do first is you're going to just go to this website here. So I'm going to just copy it and paste it. You can just click it or command click and that'll open in a new tab. I'm going to open it up in a new window here for you. And that way you'll be able to see exactly what it is. The website here is simply the Adobe Color website. And the set of directions say then you need to set your base color. So the base color is this first one here selected. And it says I need to set these values to 0 for the red, 0 then for my green, right? And then 255 for my blue. And then the saturation here at 100%. And that is based on this color mode being RGB. Currently this is showing the analogous. So you can see here, here's that color right here in the center. And then it just kind of fans that out for these 5 colors that it's showing. And this is showing what analogous is. So for the screenshot portion, I'm going to simply press Command, Shift, and then 4. That gets me this kind of little crosshair. I'm going to come through. I want to be sure to get that kind of into it and just take that screenshot to it. It's going to add it down here. Then I will come back and I can name all these afterwards. So now I'm going to just simply click on monochromatic. Notice it's all within that exact same shade, just lighter or darker. So really that's it. I'm going to take again, Command Shift 4, and I can take a quick screenshot of that. And so you're just going to be taking here, triad, you see 3, triad, they're kind of the 3 ones, equally distanced across on the color wheel. So that's why it has red, green, and blue, because, hey, RGB, you can see there's red, and your green, your red, and then your blues, all there in it. And that's the triad complementary, simply directly 180 degrees across the color wheel. So again, Command Shift 4. And then compound, Command Shift 4. And then the last one I had was shades. Again, Command Shift 4. And then it enables me to do that. So as I take all these screenshots, I then need to name them. So to do that, you can see I've just got them dumped out on my desktop here. I can right click on them and choose rename, and that kind of gives me that little renaming option there. And I can see based on that one right there, it shows me that it is a monochromatic. So I want to call it simply, or excuse me, that's not the monochromatic, that's the analogous. So here with that selected, ANALOGOUS, and so I'm just going to rename every single one of these. If I need to open one up, it's going to open here in preview, and I can easily see, hey, that's the analogous one. Oh, I misnamed something here. So you can easily open them up. See, like that's the monochromatic. So I know, hey, that one right there needs to be named monochromatic. So you can open these to help you quickly find what you need to label them. So that's how you can get this accomplished. The other portion is simply looking up the definitions. And that's a pretty easy process just by opening up a new window here. In the new window, you can simply type, or even you could copy, come over here to the lesson and just copy it, analogous, and then come back here, analogous, and I'm going to add the word color because I want to get that a definition. Analogous colors are groups of 3 colors which are next to each other on the color wheel, sharing a common. And literally I can then copy that definition and then paste it into the text portion of the assignment. So that's all it takes to get this assignment done and completed.